Hey team, just wanted to send a quick video about the summit and regarding to running tech and video, either whether you're in a classroom here during the week or if you're running something on Sunday morning. Just wanted to do some quick run-throughs on tech. So you see I've booted up the local machine here in this room that we use for ProPresenter and running different slides and things like that. But also I'm on the TV screens, I'm running a feed from downstairs. So you'll notice that is a different feed altogether. So when you guys boot the computer, you'll sign in as a user for the AV as normal. And whether or not you've already selected input 1 or 2, it shouldn't matter. The computer will automatically detect, hey, you're selecting a different input, and then switch over. So right now I'm on input 1, which is the feed from downstairs. So I'm going to go ahead and then switch over to input 2, which is here on the local machine. You'll see that the TVs have changed. The local screen here in front of you will flicker, but then it'll eventually come back on. And what you'll notice is now you should be seeing image or a connection to the television. So one really easy, quick way to test it is to right-click here anywhere on the desktop. And you'll go down and you'll see a portion where it says screen resolution. It's whited out on the video, but you guys will be able to see it once you right click and see the menu. So you'll click screen resolution and then this menu will pop up. This is just a layout of what the computer settings are set to as far as your displays. So right now we have the computer that's right here in front of you is labeled number 2, and then the TVs above the stage are labeled number 1. Again, another easy way to check that is come over here and hit identify. You'll throw a big number 2 right here on the screen and then a number 1 above the TVs. We'll do it one more time. Identify, just to verify like, okay, settings are the same and they should be good to go. This should not change if in a strange power outage or things like that. That might be something, but simply you just come in here and set it to, I want to extend these displays. In the settings here if that is different, and then it should change back to the original settings that it was. So again, this shouldn't be something you have to do every time. It's just a way to test it. So what you should be able to do is once you've booted up the computer and then selected the input 2 or input 1, whatever you're wanting to run, then you can come down here to ProPresenter, and we'll go ahead and open up ProPresenter. Let it come up. And now that everything is preset in Windows, ProPresenter will take control. And once it's loaded a playlist, it will then project the image from here up to the screen automatically. So if I go ahead and select this slide, you'll see it automatically puts it up on the TVs just like it should. And we're ready to rock and roll. If you do boot ProPresenter and notice that the video image settings are not correct, or say like the video output is off, you're running a picture slide here and you see here in your preview window it's working, but I'm not getting any preview to the TV. Make sure that your output right here at the top right is set to on. Sometimes it can be turned off, whether whoever used it last or just some software issues. Just make sure that output is turned on. You'll see immediately it'll come on. In order to adjust any settings, if you need to in ProPresenter, you'll go up here to the top left in ProPresenter menu here, and you'll go down to Preferences. You'll click on that and it'll bring up this other menu. Under Display, you have different windows here, but you want to look at Display. You want to make sure that your output, so saying the TVs right above us, are set to value 1, and then your preview like screen, like what we're seeing here on this side, is set to number 2. Those are the settings that you need to have it set. If it's anything different, you can arrange these windows left and right to get you to where you need to be. But that's the settings that you need in order to make sure ProPresenter is up and running. But again, everything should be plug and play. You turn it on and run it, it should be fine. But just in the event that anything does go awry, you now know what to do to make the changes that you need in order to get it back up and running. So that's it for now. Let me know if you have any more questions, and eager to help you guys out and continue working together and becoming disciples and making disciples. Love you guys. We'll see you.